What it do, man? It's your boy Louis back with another video, man. We got another one. We got to do today, and it's not American made. So, the car got issues with the brakes. It won't stop. Apply brakes. It's hard. It's stiff. So, after diagnosing it, we know it's the brake booster. So we finna go remove the brake booster back here. We gotta get all this out the way first, just to get back there to get the brake booster. So y'all tune in while I change this. Let's get it. Yep, so right here, all I gotta do is I gotta remove this remove all that, man, to take the brake booster off back here. So let me go ahead and keep on going. I'm gonna turn it back on when I get some progress going. Okay, so I had to take off the throttle. I got the master sent off, and all I gotta do is go on the inside and unbolt that couple of screws in there, and it should be able to twist it up out of here and put it back the same way I took it apart. So I had to take out the battery tray, throttle to get to the bolt, and then I just dropped the damn bolt down there. Ain't that a bit? Alright, so I'm gonna have to get that. I'm gonna have to find that, y'all. There's some bullshit. Alright, so I got them two off. Boom. All I gotta go in and do inside is disconnect it from the brake pedal and twist that thing up out of here, and then put all this stuff back the same way I just did it. So y'all stay tuned, man. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so I already took the bolts off. The bolts on these right here. On that. There's 4 of them. 1, 2. I don't know if y'all can see that. 3 and 4. And there's a pin. This pin right here. And this safety lock pin. You take it from right out of here. And that come off in no time. So, it's hot. It should be. Let me see. There you go. See, it's loose, y'all. So, let me work with it. Let me get it out. Because you see, all this stuff is in the way. I gotta have 2 hands. So, I'll show y'all when I got it out. The new and the old. Okay, man. So I had to take the upper intake. I mean, the gasket. I mean, the air intake off of the motor. Yes, we had to take it off because we got to get that bolt back there so we can move the coolant lines. Because they is in blocking me from getting this off. Because this thing would have been off. So. I don't know if y'all can see that bolt standing there. We gotta get that bolt off, bro. So let me get it off, and then we'll go ahead and continue it on with the video. Hey, all right, y'all. Finally got it out. Sheesh. It's a struggle when you're going through all these hoses without taking them apart, man, but it could be done. I did it. You could do it. This is the old one. And we got the new one. Okay. Y'all can see that it's back down in there. Whew, it's hot. I'm tired. Now I'm finna get the bolt and all this stuff back together, man. New one in. It ain't bolted yet, but I gotta put all this back together. So if you wanna do this work, it's time consuming, but you can do it. Louis, now let's get it back together. And just like that, man, we done. We got everything back put together. Whew. There you go. The new one on there. Just need to add some brake fluid in there. And that's about it. Probably gonna need the brakes blade, but that ain't what I was here for. So we got the new brake booster in. We took the other one back. They got their core for that. And I put everything else back together. Okay, man. And just like that, we out, man. I'll see you next video. Louis.